Hello everyone. Today I am going to share about a wonderful poet called William Blake. William Blake was an English poet, painter, and printmaker. He is considered a seminal figure in the history of the poetry and visual arts of the Romantic Age. William Blake was born on 28 November 1757 in London. His paintings and poetry have been characterized as part of the Romantic movement and as pre-Romantic. He died in a most glorious manner. He said he was going to the country he had all his life wished to see and express himself happy. He was one of the most beautiful lover of nature.
So far, we have seen about the poet William Blake. Before entering into the poem, let us see about what is nature. Nature is an important and integral part of mankind. It's one of the greatest blessings of human life. However, nowadays humans fail to recognize it as one. Nature has been an inspiration for numerous poets, writers, artists, and more of yesteryears. This remarkable creation inspired them to write poems and stories in their glory of it. They truly valued nature, which reflects in their works even today. Essentially, nature is everything we are surrounded by, like the water we drink, the air we breathe, the sun we soak in, the birds we hear chirping, the moon we gaze at the more. Now, we are going to start the poem which is written by William Blake. Before entering, if you like the poem, like it and comment it and share it.
Laughing Song. When the green woods laugh with a voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. When the air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hill laughs with the noise of it. When the meadows laugh with lively green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. When Mary and Susan and Emily, with their sweet round mouth, sing, ha ha he. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, where a table with cherries and nuts is spread. Come, live and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha he. This poem was written by William Blake. Dear children, let's see the summary of this poem. The poem Laughing Song describes nature at its best. Looking at the lively green woods, the poet finds a lot of happiness, and this makes him refer to the woods as a voice of joy. He also derives joy from the waves and running of the stream. Even the air and the green hills seem to echo the inner expressions of joy and laughter. In the second stanza, the poet speaks of the meadows, the grasshopper, and the little children named Mary, Susan, and Emily. Innocence can be best captured in children and feeble life forms like the grasshopper. Even the colorful birds while resting in the shade, seem to chip and laugh. The cherries and the nuts are not spread on the table, rather, they are ladled in the trees. Everyone seems to be in a festive mood and seems to enjoy the merry scene. So children, I hope you all enjoyed this poem, Laughing Song, which describes about nature and its scenery.